Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Right now, they got the Black Friday sales going on, so definitely might want to pick up one for yourself and another for your family members since the holidays are fast approaching, guys. You can stay at home, shop online. Just click the link, add it to your cart, and in a day or two, they'll ship it out. And now they extended the times to like 10 p.m. for Amazon, so you guys will get it this fast. Definitely check them out now because, like I said, they got really good sales going on. And for all you coffee lovers, since the holidays, this will come in handy. Keurig K Classic Everyday Essential, 3-cup sizes, 48 ounce, 1 minute brew time. So we're gonna test this out, and we got the originators right down there. We got what? Starbucks, Folgers, Newman's, Galvia, Dunkin' Donuts, McAfee, McDonald's, Green Mountain, Pete's, and something else, Caribou. Never heard of them. But, boom. That's what the side looks like. Look at these happy people. I don't think they're happy now. But you guys can be happy. Get one of these machines. Freshly ground. Also, you could do one hot water. Boom. So like I said, you don't need to wait in line at Start or at Tim Hortons for an hour. Just get your cup of coffee. You can have it on the go. Get one of those travel mugs with the heat ones. So, like I said, they got a huge sale going on. And here we go. Keurig family. Ooh. Bonus. That's what it looks like inside once you get it. Got the manual. I don't think I'm going to need that. Got the cord right there. Oh, baby. Here she is, guys. Put you guys down for a second. And we're definitely going to test this out. Okay, nothing else in the bottom. No K-pods or nothing. You just gotta buy those on your own, which they're pretty cheap also now, so whatever your taste and choice is, you can pick them out. Keurig 3-cup sizes. Here we go. Put the manual up right there for now. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow, this is a nice one. This is also a nice, like, housewarming gift. Bar mitzvah gift. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so we got a lot of tape to unpeel. Here's the front. We got a big old water tank right there. Ooh. Toppy top. We got add water notification. Descale. Heating. On and off. Power. And there's a 3-cup sizes small. For like your cappuccino. I think that's like a large. An extra large. Or no, large. Or medium. And large cups. So I'm gonna take her down here. Bam, we got this. Comes apart after I take off the Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down. A lot of tape. But it's nice and secure, so that's a good thing. No damages to the main parts. I'm going to test her out. Okay, 1, 2, 2 more, 3 more. 2 more on the side. Oh, this is a nice one though. So you can put your large container down there in case you got a long day on the road. But that's just crazy. They'll help people wait for like an hour at Tim Hortons. Especially the one by my house is like a block away and it's nuts. I myself, not a coffee drinker, but once in a while I'll try it, you know. Give me a Red Bull, I'll be alright. You know, and make sure you're at the bottom. Make sure you rinse that water container out before use. That's what I'll be doing. Okay, now how do I... There's more on here. Oh, alright. Got that. There we go. Got them all. Oh, I missed one. Man. Right on the side. Why would they put it right there? See what I mean? Right in the corner. Alright, Keurig. Alright, Keurig. Alright, we got that. Oh, there's one in the bottom. One right there. Ooh. Yeah, this is a nice one. Look at this. A lot of water in here. Max. Okay guys, the next step, we're gonna go into the kitchen. Whoa. Sharp needles. Be careful where you poke yourself. Oh, it's on top. Right up there, see it? Those will definitely pierce your skin. So do not poke around there. Okay. Got that. We'll be back. Alrighty guys, we're filling up the water right now. So, there we go. Give it a good rinse or two. There we go. Right on the line. And then right here, this is where you could clean it out. Put another larger cup of coffee right there. Or like I said, you could use that for your cantiners. So, right there. I'm definitely curious about this 1 minute brew time. See how this works. Should be easy. Gotta line it up. There we go. So you take that off. That's good and secured. Hold on 1 sec. Then back here you can see the hooks. That's where you're gonna hook it up to right there. Easy peasy. Alright guys, got it plugged in. All I gotta do is press power, grab my coffee cup, and there we go. Actually, there we go. We'll get a small size. Get one like that. There. And I think any of these, napalm. Just gotta go. Oh, you just put it in? Whoa. Power. Pressing power. Holy moly. Now it says a minute. It should be going. There goes the draining the water, so that's good. Yep, it's nice and locked in. can actually smell it now. I think this one was dying to Hamilton Beach. Been about a couple years, so brand new though. Great Black Friday sale going on, so definitely check them out. Link is down below, guys. Oh, boom. Now it says it's heating. And then, see the water? Took that out. Should begin to pour any second now. Look at that. Exactly 1 minute. Oh boy. Listen to it purr. There's my dog. Wolf. Dang. Sounds like turbo jets. Any second now should begin to pour. Select the size. Hold on 1 sec. There it goes, guys. Look at that. I had to read the directions for a second. Perfect pour. Yeah, buddy. So there you go. Got on that cup size. Oh. Alright. Boom. Why is it doing that noise? Alright. You got it in one shot. Look at that. Perfect. Huh. Here we go. There you guys have it. Keurig K-Cups. Check them out. Be safe.